Good morning, students. I welcome you all for today's English class. Students, we have started the lesson 1.5, a Kabaddi match. And in the first part, we have learnt about the Kabaddi sport, from where this sport was originated, the rules to play this game, and what skills or qualities are essential to be a Kabaddi player. Now, in the second part, we are going to learn about a Kabaddi match which was scheduled in the school sports meet. So, let's begin the remaining part. As I had told you in the last session, that second part we have learnt first, and today we will be learning the first part of the lesson, that is page number 12, 1.5, a Kabaddi match. Students, keep your pencils ready to mark difficult words. Students, let's begin with the first paragraph. The school sports meet was scheduled next month. The practice matches had already begun. 9th B were the favorites as they had strong players in their team. The Kabaddi trials were on. This year there were 3 new students in class 9th A. To everyone's surprise, they proved to be outstanding players. 9th A's hopes soared, means increased. They were hopeful. So, the lesson begins with the school sports meet, which was scheduled next month. So, the practice matches had already begun, and this match was between the two teams, that is 9th A and 9th B. 9th B team was everyone's favorite team. But this year there were 3 new students in 9th A and they were outstanding players. So everyone thought that this time 9th A may win or they may play better than 9th B. Let's begin the second paragraph. When the match started, all the spectators, students, you can underline the difficult words. Spectators means a person who watch a game. Clapped and boosted the morale. Boosted means encouraged to improve. Morale means confidence of both the teams. 9th A won the toss and sent their raider. Raider means attacker, a person who attacked the members of other team. Govind. He was so swift that before the opponents realized it, he had touched Suresh from 9th B and was already heading home. A point was scored. Now students, why do we have cheerleaders, or why do people cheer and clap for their team? It's because they want to boost the spirit of the players and motivate them. Here, 9th A won the toss and sent their raider Govind. Govind was very swift, very fast. So even before the opposite team realized it, he had already touched Suresh from opposite team. That means 9th B. Suresh from 9th B. And he was on his way back to his team. So they scored a point. Let's see the third paragraph. Ravi from 9th B was a very strong player. He alone was sufficient. Sufficient means enough. To catch hold of, underline, catch hold of, means to grab, to suddenly start holding someone. Any player so tightly in between his legs, twisted like scissors, that releasing oneself from his grip was next to impossible. Now students, Kabaddi requires not just physical but also mental strength. Ravi from 9th B was strong in both, that is physically and mentally. He alone was strong enough to catch any player tightly between his legs like a scissors. Had won many matches for 9th B. With the support of Mohan and Vinod, 9th B were unbeatable. Now, the players of opposite team were afraid of Ravi. Ravi was the S player and had won many matches of 9th B. So, along with him, Mohan and Vinod were equally strong, and this trio was unbeatable. Unbeatable means it was not easily possible for anyone to defeat them. Mangesh from 9th A was also strong. He was a good match for Ravi. Ravi was relaxed as he had never dreamt of any strong opposition from any team. When Mangesh was wrestled to fight with someone by holding them and trying to throw them to the ground by Ravi and his friends. Everyone in the spectators thought that 9th A would lose Mangesh, but Mangesh proved his mettle, means spirit. He was on the ground with the anti-raiders, means every player in whose court raid is being made, catching hold of his waist and legs. Now students, overconfidence can lead to failure. Ravi was overconfident about his strength, but with Mangesh on the opposite team, things were not simple. Why? Because Ravi was relaxed as he had never thought that from opposite team anybody could beat him. But Mangesh was very strong player. He held Ravi and his friend and threw them on the ground. Spectators thought that 9th A team would lose Mangesh, but Mangesh proved them wrong by his spirit. He was on the ground with the anti-raiders catching hold of his waist and legs, but slowly he moved towards his coat. Slowly he inched towards his coat. All the anti-raiders with all their might were trying their best to pull him back. But with great determination and without losing his breath, Mangesh successfully touched the midline. There were cheers in the air. Now, first you'll underline and write the meanings. Inched means move slowly and carefully. And determination means firmness. So, though he was caught by the anti-raiders, though Mangesh was caught by the anti-raiders, with all his strength and determination, without losing his breath, he touched to midline. So students, all these strategies and skills which Mangesh used are essential in the Kabaddi sport. There were cheers in the air, means the team 9th A was very happy as they scored points. And 9th B raiders who had caught Mangesh tightly. The raiders like Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya, they were declared out as per the rules. He had not only saved himself but was also able to score 3 points for his team, as Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya, who were holding him, were also declared out. So Mangesh saved himself and he even scored 3 points for his team, that is for 9th A team. Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya, who were holding Mangesh, were declared out. Now 9th B began to play cautiously, means carefully. Now already in the previous paragraph we saw that the 3 strong players of 9th B were out, and thus it was necessary for 9th B to play carefully in order to protect members in their team. Mihir, one of their raiders, even managed to tag Sohan in 9th A. Nothing much happened in the next few raids. Now it was Vivek's raid. He always played with strategies and they worked fine. Vivek always played with strategies and they worked fine. Now it was Vivek's raid from ninth A. He always played using some tricks and it worked well. The remaining three players from ninth B trapped. Trapped means to catch. Vivek. He slowly moved back towards his court. The three anti-raiders also moved with him. When they caught his arm and were trying to pull him back, Vivek slipped his leg beyond the midline with the anti-raiders still hanging onto his arm. The remaining three players, now as you know, there are 7 players in the Kabaddi team and already 4 players of 9th B team were out of court. Hence, there were only 3 players left in the court. So these 3 players from 9th B caught Vivek and Vivek slipped his leg beyond the midline. Oh, the whole of the 9B team was declared out. So now all the 7 members of 9th B were declared out. 9th A had actually managed to get 3 more bonus points of Luna. It was an icing on the cake. Icing on the cake means something that makes a good situation even better. So now all the 7 members of 9th B were declared out and thus 9th A team got 3 more bonus points of Luna. So it was like an icing on the cake, something that makes a good situation even better. What an enviable score. It set the heads of 9th B reeling. Enviable means excellent and reeling means shocked. What an excellent score 9th A made by now. And 9th B, who was overconfident team, was now in shock and were also unable to react on their situation. After the half-time break, the star players of 9th A were full of confidence. Once again, they managed to catch hold of the Ace Raiders, Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi. 9th A outplayed 9th B in all the areas of Kabaddi. Their team spirit, their confidence, their strategies, their swiftness, suppleness means flexibility, helped them to beat 9th B who had never tasted defeat earlier. So, all these qualities of 9th A members have helped them to beat 9th B team which was never defeated earlier by any other team. So, we should never underestimate anybody because games are full of twists. So students, from this lesson we can learn that if we want to achieve anything, strong determination and self-confidence is very essential. But overconfidence leads to failure. So I hope you have understood the lesson. Thank you.